Hi, this is David again, and in this video tutorial, we're going to discuss about Python numbers. So let's get started. Python numbers. There are three numeric types in Python: int, float, complex. Variables of numeric types are created when you assign a value to them. For example, to verify the type of any object in Python, use the type function. For example, int, or integer, is a whole number, positive or negative, without decimals, of unlimited length. For example, float. Float, or floating point number, is a number, positive or negative, containing one or more decimals. For example, float can also be scientific numbers with an e to indicate the power of n. For example, complex. Complex numbers are written with a j as the imaginary part. For example, and that wraps up this video tutorial on Python numbers. See you in my next tutorial, where we're going to discuss Python casting.